Subscribe my channel for GK. Which city's police force has become the country's first police unit to launch an AI-powered multilingual facility? Answer is Bangalore Police. In which Indian city will BRICS Agriculture Ministers meeting be held? Answer is Indore. In which state has Coal India launched a 100 megawatt solar project? Answer is Gujarat. At which location have scientists discovered Earth's oldest trapped atmospheric air through excavation? Answer is Antarctica. Which state have become the number one state in the eastern region for rural sanitation? Answer is Bihar. Which state has become the first in India to levy taxes based on the alcohol content in liquor? Answer is Karnataka. Which state has constituted the Singa-Pan Lioness Special Force for the safety of women? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Which institution has proposed the Garuda framework to make the future of investment in India faster and easier? Answer is SEBI. What is the code name of the terror plot uncovered by the National Investigation Agency regarding the Delhi Red Fort car bomb blast case? Answer is Operation Heavenly Hind. In which state is India's first human-elephant conflict research center being established? Answer is Jharkhand. Which state will host the 5th Asia Cup Bridge Championship to be held in 2026? Answer is Goa. Under which operation have security forces declared Maharashtra's Gadchiroli district completely free of armed Naxals? Answer is Operation Antim Prahar. Which international airport has received approval for India's first automated people mover project? Answer is Indira Gandhi International Airport. Who has made history by becoming the youngest mayor of Indian origin in Elstree and Boreham Wood, United Kingdom? Answer is Mohit Bakshi. In which state will the country's third National Institute of Food Technology Entrepreneurship and Management be established? Answer is Bihar. Which Indian has been awarded the Soil Farmer Hero honor by the Food and Agricultural Organization? Answer is Valluvan. Who has become India's 27th Chief of Naval Staff? Answer is Krishna Swaminathan. How many medals did India win at the 22nd Asian Under-20 Athletics Championship 2026 held in Hong Kong? Answer is 19. The President has approved the appointment of 5 new judges to the Supreme Court. With these appointments, what has the current working strength of judges in the Supreme Court risen to? Answer is 37. Who has assumed charge as the 20th Commander-in-Chief of the Andaman and Nicobar Command? Answer is Vice Admiral Vineet McCarthy. Which football club has won the UEFA Champions League 2026 title? Answer is Paris Saint-Germain. Which country's cricket membership has been suspended due to the violation of administrative rules? Answer is Canada. Which Indian female shooter won the gold medal in the women's 10-meter air pistol event at the ISSF World Cup 2026? Answer is Suruchi Singh. Which team has won the IPL 2026 title? Answer is Royal Challenger Bangalore. Who has been appointed as the current Prime Minister of Slovenia? Answer is Janez Janša. Where has India's first private medical museum been established? Answer is Kerala. Which state has become India's fifth fully literate state under the Ullas initiatives? Answer is Sikkim. Who has become the new director of the Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission? Answer is Piyush Singla. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Senegal? Answer is Ahmadou Al Aminou Lo. Which state has become the third in India to implement the Uniform Civil Code? Answer is Assam. Which country has become the world's fifth largest stock market? Answer is Taiwan. Which driver won the 2026 Canadian Grand Prix? Answer is Kimi Antonelli. Which ISRO mission has received the prestigious 2026 Goddard Astronautics Award from the American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics? Answer is Chandrayaan 3 mission. Which country has become Bangladesh's second largest trading partner? Answer is India. Who has been honored with the Laureus UNESCO International Award for Women in Science 2026 in the Asia Pacific region? Answer is Felice Jacka. Who has appointed as the president of the Commonwealth Chess Association? Answer is Bharat Singh Chauhan. Ranjit Kumar Das has been elected as the Speaker of which state's Legislative Assembly? Answer is Assam. Which Hindi newspaper has been honored with the Publisher of the Year award at the AB Creative Awards 2026? Answer is Dainik Jagran. Who has been appointed as India's chef de mission for the Commonwealth Games in Glasgow? Answer is Rohit Rajpal. Who has become the second footballer in the world to become a billionaire? Answer is Lionel Messi. Doctors from which country perform a successful remote robotic surgery on a patient in Hyderabad from a distance of 3,000 kilometers? Answer is China. In which state has the Amma Devi Bahini bus service been launched? Answer is Sikkim. Which state government has launched the Ganga Water Conservation Public Campaign 2026? Answer is Rajasthan. Under Mission Vande Mataram, which security force first All India mountaineering team successful scale which peak? Answer is BSF. In which Indian state will India's second largest international cricket stadium be built? Answer is Karnataka. Which country has sent three astronauts to its Tiangong space station aboard the Shenzhou 13 spacecraft? Answer is China. Which sprinter has set a new national record by completing the men's 100-meter race in 10.9 seconds? Answer is Gurinder Veer Singh. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Rajya Sabha's Committee on Petitions? Answer is Raghav Chadha. Tiruvanchur Radhakrishnan has been elected Speaker of which state's Legislative Assembly? Answer is Kerala. Which team has won the Indian Super League 2026 title? Answer is East Bengal FC.